I love when you guys send me requests because I get to tap into more music. Y'all, we got a request, a Patreon request that is from JJ. This is Nature Girls, uncensored version. I don't really know the difference between censored and uncensored when it comes to this, but I'm trying to see what it's about to be. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Let's see what it's about to be. Let's do it. Should I be scared? I hope I shouldn't be scared. I ain't scared of nothing. I ain't scared of nothing. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh. Damn. Okay. Oh. Okay. What the fuck? Are these hanging teddy bears? Just so y'all know, the captions are auto-generated, so y'all know how that go. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how that go. But are these hanging teddy bears? Oh my god. Okay. All right. Okay. Hey. This is very eerie, but it's also beautiful as hell. So. Okay. Hey Slim, I don't know how y'all are able to do this in a music video form. I don't think I would ever be able to do this. I don't think I would ever be able to. Nah, ain't no trust in the world will get me to do this. Never. In a million years, not even in 1 year. Hell no. But shout out to you for sticking to the. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I like that chorus. Hot like chili, chili. I like that. Okay, come on. Oh. What the hell? Their voices are very like, it's like if you're not careful, you gonna get caught in that web, bro. Like these siren vocals be making me so scared, but it's so beautiful. Please, oh. You keep playing with your eyes, you're gonna have to bandage your eyes. Hey. Okay. Okay. Oh. Woo. This is beautiful and scary at the same time. Silly. Oh my god. I see why this is uncensored. I see why this is uncensored as hell. Okay. Oh. Nah, this is nuts. How I have to see the behind the scenes for this music video. Hey, hey, yo. Nah, I have to see behind the scenes of this. Cause what?